Hello, today I'm going to talk about how to be a software engineer in 2024. Uh, First, you have to learn about what is software engineer because everyone thinks that software engineer and software development is just two different things, but it is not. You have to understand first what is a software means. That software means that something is not a hardware. And now what is a hardware? A hardware that we can touch and we can use that, but a software we can't touch. It is in the computer and we can use it, but we never can touch it. And a software can be many things like a website, a apps, a games, and it's all of everything is a software. And every software needed to make by a human itself, and also make to develop for better good, I mean upgrade for better good. And so a software engineer or a software developer doing these things. A software engineer or software development is just same, and in there are many sections that you can follow. To become a software engineer, you have to learn every single things that are related to software, like software making, website development, front-end development that are we shown in the website in front, and back-end development that are work in the back in a website or in a software or in a app or games. You have to learn game development or app development. You have to understand how security things work, and you have to check the security. And also you have to improve your software by using your brain or your colleague's brain. So you have to first of all, if you want to be a software engineer, the first step is done, that you know now that what is a software engineer and what is a software engineer doing. It's not like you have to do everything every single day. No, you will be given a work, like you should just coding a single part, or you should be just doing the front end, and everyone others will do a rest of them. So you will given a work by your by your CEO or your company, and you will do the work, but you have to learn everything. I mean, you can do everything in related to software. So the second step is programming language, and people are mistakenly learn many languages as much as possible, but it's not necessary. If you are desperate one, that you want the result fast, so you should learn the Python, because Python is easy to learn, and it's short, and you can learn it quickly. So but if you are not that desperate, you can learn the recent programming language that I'm not talking about Java or C++. It's these are old. You have to learn the new programming language that are known by few people, because as much because they are those programming language supply is more, demand is more than supply. So if you want to get a job quickly, you should learn the new language, but you can start with Python. It's all okay. And after learning a programming language, and one thing to remember, don't learn it fully. You just learn basic simple things like arrays and what if, else, loop, etc., and then use it properly as much as possible. Use it in by your hands and by your minds. Okay, solve your problem as much as you can that are available in Google. And then after you learn a programming language, you should try to make some project, and then you should learn GitHub. GitHub is also a essential things, and in GitHub you can store your program, and also when you give an interview, you can you can show your GitHub profile. It's unlike a store that you have, and you can't show every single piece of your store, so you just show best of them, and then if anyone wants that, they can go in your store, and then they can check all of your dresses and rate you or hire you. So GitHub is just work like that way. After learning GitHub, you can apply for a job and see their requirements, and you should learn by that way. But one thing for sure, you should learn SQL. SQL means SQL and database management, and because database is a necessary things in software engineer, because it's a very highly demanding skills in software engineering work job, because everyone can do how to programming, and the web developer counts in a in earth is many more, and so web development is not that